VCRC is celebrating almost 35 years of service to the 9 counties of the Central Valley. Since 1988, the Valley Caregiver Resource Center has and continues to be an advocate, teacher, counselor, and friend to seniors and caregivers. So joining us now is Greg Steen, CEO and founder of Senior Care Advocates, along with Michelle DeBudio, Executive Director of VCRC. So you guys are teaming up.
Yes.
These are two great places to get resources for people in the community, but you're teaming up for a thing that people love to do as they get older, for a golf tournament, right?
Exactly.
All right, so tell us about the golf tournament coming up.
Well, we're going to have our 10th annual golf tournament. It's going to be held at DragonFly this year.
Okay.
We're really excited about it. It's on April 24th, and it's a Monday, and tee-off is at 1 o'clock. And we have 4 hole-in-ones with 3 cars and a lawnmower. We have great activities on almost every hole. Okay. So it should be a lot of fun.
Yeah, I have been to quite a few of these fundraising golf tournaments, and they are a good time. You don't really even have to be that good of a golfer.
Not at all.
So how important is this tournament to the work that you guys do together?
Well, it's a lot of collaborating, especially while you're asking for sponsors such as Greg is helping being our Tondo sponsor this year, and which we're most grateful for, because as any nonprofit, the federal and state grants you may get, you still need private donations and fundraising to keep your doors open.
Yeah.
So it's vital to continue, for us to be able to continue doing our work.
So why is this such a good partnership for somebody like Senior Care Advocates?
So I think, our hearts are really the same in a lot of respects, because we're all about empowering caregivers, giving them resources, information, accurate information.
Yeah.
We're just talking about that. And I think we both have the personal experience, so we know what people need and trying to help them get through it. So a lot of what we're trying to accomplish is really identical.
Yeah.
It's just 2 different approaches. And so probably nobody better for us to have like-minded, and purpose.
And so at your organization, at Valley Caregiver Resource Center, what's the main resource you guys provide? How do you help people in the community?
We help seniors and family caregivers in all different aspects. We have 4 different programs. We have one where we serve the family caregiver. This is someone who's unpaid, helping their family member to survive, I'm going to be honest, to get through it. And so we offer them many resources to do that. We have Oasis, which is an adult day program just for people with dementia, which is from 9 to 5:30 every day. So it's a great opportunity to get people out of their homes and give them a place where they can experience activities and have a sense of being. And then we also have 2 other programs that help seniors.
Okay. And you talk about respite care a lot.
Yes.
Why is respite care so important? Why do we continue to need to tell people that there are services out there for you?
Well, I guess because some of us are just hard-headed and maybe we don't listen the first time, but we know this: about 32% of all caregivers pass away before the one they're caring for,
right? Which
is huge when you think about it. That doesn't even speak to all the people that their health diminishes because they are caregiving, right?
Yeah.
And then I heard one the other day at her place where, I believe, if I'm going to say it right, that all caregivers have at least a 67% chance of their own health concerns coming up, more so than people that aren't caregivers.
Right.
So the toll, we know, is very, very big. And respite care is available in a lot of different places. They have a great program for respite care. The VA has a program, and there's other ways of getting it, but it's huge because it's not for the faint of heart, right? And typically it's an older female mom, a wife taking care of her husband, and within a couple of years you have 2 patients.
Yeah.
And it's something that can be avoided.
Yeah. And so you guys can do a lot of this work, and you can be there for people who are caregivers, or you can be there for the seniors of our community. And a lot of what you do is supported through the 10th annual golf tournament. So we will have all the information about how you can join the tournament, how you can get in there and get your clubs and irons out. So thank you guys both so much for being here. There's the date. When is it? It's April. What date?
April 24th.
April 24th. And we'll have all the information on our website as well. Thank you so much, you guys.
Thank you.
Okay.